Hits it is. Defer. Wall.
Let's go. Hey, offense.
So you got to defend back to the bridge.
Because the DejaVu's a higher seed, they had the Cobras change colors. Oh, missed flag. Oh. 5 yards short. 5 yards short of the goal line. Okay. That's a punt. That's a touchdown. Touchdown, Cobras. Touchdown, Cobras. Oh, he threw a pick. It's a pick. And that's going to be returned for 1. Oh.
Let's go, baby.
You got to pick that off.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Touchdown. 12-1. 12-1.
Yeah, he was on the players, but he's with us. He's running! That's it, that's it, that's it.
Halftime.
12-1 Cobras at the half. 12-1 Cobras at the half. Oh, good defense. Good defense. Good sack. Again, you don't want to give a body no short field. That's just not a smart play. You just take what the defense gives you. That's just not a smart play. Now you end up losing yards in a down. It's just as bad as taking a sack.
Go up for it, guys. Play the ball.
And what a sack. What a sack. To score about 30 yards. Good defense. It's going to be 4th and goal at about the 20, maybe 21. Wow. And that's going to be a touchdown. 4th down.
That's number 22 of the weekend. Yesterday at the charity and today. 22. There we go.
ACFL, Andy. ACFL, I believe. ACFL. The TuneUp weekend. And that's going to be game. That's going to be game. That's going to be game. Anthony, it was a pick. It was a pick return on an extra point. Pick return on extra point. So that'll be 20-1. The final will be 20-1.